Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Alethea, and this is Sewing Skill Building Saturdays. Yay! Hey guys, so we are here to talk about today marking tools. Now, as you can see, I have various marking tools on the table. So let's talk about them. So the first one is going to be the tracing paper. And this paper, this particular sample here is a wax-free tracing paper. And you can iron on it and it will not leave marks with this particular paper. And to remove the marks, it says with the fabric eraser brush or a damp cloth. This package here states that you cannot press it with a hot iron. You will be unable to erase the marks. So remember to read the directions on your package wear, and remember to test your fabric, a scrap piece of fabric, before you use it on your fabric for your garment. So to use these tracing paper, you can use the artist pen, which I showed once before, and it comes in a package of 5. Or you can use the old-fashioned tracing wheel to apply your tracing. Next, we have the Taylor's chalk, and it comes in the different types and shades and colors and sizes. This is how this particular one looks. Also, you have a chalk pen. And the refills. Taylor's chalk pencil refill. Then next you have your markers. All different colors, but again, always check your material, your fabric, to see if you can get those markings out or if they are gonna be visible on your fabric. Sometimes I use a simple pencil to make a mark with an eraser, and that depends on, again, the fabric choice you're using. This is a disappearing ink pen, but check the fabric always. And these are the refills for that particular pen. See the different colors, even have white in there for dark fabrics. And you can even use threads to make tailor tacks with. This is not, you can buy tailor tacking threads. It's a much heavier weight than this particular thread. I just use this as an example. But you can use thread to mark your fabric using tailor tacks. These are disappearing ink pens, and they come in a variety of color. And I'm not sure if this one is the heat erase pen. That's another reason why you have to test a swatch to see if it agrees with your fabric and if you can get it out before you complete your garment and not mess up your material. And another way to mark pens can be used as a marking tool as well. So these are just some of the items that I have and suggestions at this time that I can think of or had on hand to use and to show you. But I'm quite sure that's lots of ways to mark your fabric after you have chosen your layout and cut your fabric out. You want to mark and notch your fabric. Well, that's it for this time. See you next Saturday on Sewing Skill Building Saturdays. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate you. Sweet inspirations to all. Bye. So, I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned some information that you can